The days of the electric slide are gone. Hustle dance has grown tremendously all over the country. It's especially huge here in Detroit. The Detroit Hustle is a way to have fun while at the same time strengthening the community through dance. And this is why Detroit hustles harder. What up, though?
It's no surprise that Detroit is the hustle capital of the U.S. In Detroit, we move different, and we move with purpose. We know that we're our best when we all come together as one. And we don't mind helping our neighbors out because when they shine, we all shine. Detroit has been a major force in dance since the 1920s Paradise Valley era and the Motown era in the 1950s through the 1970s, and then the funk era through the 1970s and 80s. This all was a foundation for the hustle leading up to the 80s when Motown artist Stevie Wonder released My Eyes Don't Cry No More in 1987. From this point on, the hustle was here to stay. The hustle is a line dance that's often done at special gatherings like parties, weddings, and family reunions. All the DJ has to do is play one of those special hustle songs, and that's our cue to head to the dance floor. Now, you have different levels of dancers, some experienced and others that are trying to learn on the spot. It really doesn't matter what category you fall under because the only requirement is that you have fun. Yes, Detroit definitely hustles harder and will continue to hustle with style, grace, and grit.